Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix screen blurriness on your Windows 10 computer. So this is going to be a pretty quick tutorial and I hope this video is going to be able to help you guys out. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just want to left click on the Start button one time and then you want to type in Control Panel. And the best match that comes up should say Control Panel directly above Desktop App. So you want to left click on that one time to open it up. And then up here where it says View By, you want to make sure it's set to large icons. Once you've ensured that, you want to left click on this display option right here. Up in the top text area where it says Change Size of Items, there should be a hyperlink that says Set a Custom Scaling Level. Left click on that. Where it says Scale to this percentage of normal size, click on this little drop down arrow. And I recommend changing it to 150 for example for the first go around. And then you would click on OK. At that point, you have to restart your computer, and then the changes should take effect. And if you ever want to go back and change it to what it was default, go back into the control panel, go back into the display, open this up, and then you can change it back to 100% if you had a problem and you wanted to go back to what it was. So, and it always could have been higher to begin with, so then I recommend setting it to 100%. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.